How to earn banners in League of Legends. In your profile section, you will find a banner section from here. Here is the banners, and it is the default banner that you have got from the very beginning of your account, that you have created the account. And here is the post rank, and this is the banners that are given for the rank on your League of Legends, and you can earn these banners according to your rank that you have gained in the past season. You can gain this by playing ranked PvP match on League of Legends, and you can, if you gain a lowest rank, then you can get a banner by according to your rank, and if you get a highest rank, then you can also get a highest rank banner from here. And also there is some banners that are related to events that have already end up or already running. You can complete the events or the quests to earn the banner. I can give you all the details about all the banners that are available right now. You can just simply take the name and search in Google about the event on League of Legends, and there you will find all the information that related to the event. And you also can find how you can earn the banner. Here you will find some tournament that are organized by League of Legends in game, and you can participate in the tournament and win the game to earn banners. You can also find in the tournament reward section there is a banner as a reward, and the banners is so much cool and eye-catchy, and you will love it. But as you can see right now, there is the tournament available in League of Legends, so you will get notified in game whenever a tournament held on your server, and you can simply participate in the tournament and play it for higher rank, or complete the requirements and quests to get the banner as a reward. That's how you can earn banners in League of Legends. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a like, don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching, till the next time.